So in starting out no testimonials, is it better to get paid or get references instead? So the number one thing that a lot of freelancers mess up on is they try to go from no experience to getting paid like that, which is, I understand your thought process with that. However, if you want to play the long game, meaning you don't have to go and you get some clients, you fuck up, and then, oh my God, now you have to go back and get a job. If you want to turn this into a lifestyle, I always recommend moving a little bit slower, quote unquote, meaning you focus on getting the testimonials, you get the experience first. So whether you've closed that first client and it's a paid client, or whether you close that first client and it's massively, like you've massively undersold yourself, meaning you usually charge $2,000, but for this you charge $750, or if it's for free, that's perfectly okay. The entire point of your first client is getting a system and a proven process of, I'm going to do X and I'm going to deliver on X. That's literally it. So that is the entire purpose for that first client. It's not getting that first client, now you're going to be rich. It's getting that first client, getting a proof of concept. So it's completely up to you as far as, do you want to charge full price? Do you want to charge like almost nothing or literally nothing and just get the testimonial out of it? It's completely up to you. I always recommend in the beginning not charging and instead just providing value up front, getting their feedback on it and turning that into a testimonial, and then possibly turning that into a paid client, which leads me to another question that a lot of you ask is, how do I go from, okay, I've got that testimonial, how do you take that into a paid client? It's very simple. Once you've delivered on the result for that client and they're happy about it, they're like, oh my God, I'll just throw out a random name. Oh my God, John, well, you just did such a great job. Or, oh my God, Gabe, that email you did was amazing. Well, it's easy. The next direct step is, okay, so the emails that I did for you, I could do 3 a week, I could do 1 a day, whatever you actually want to do. I always recommend at least 3 emails a week. I'm going to do 3 emails a week, and the retainer for my services is only going to be X. That is literally all you have to do to go from testimonial to paid client. So the caveat is you have to actually deliver on the result and they have to be happy with it to take it to that next step. If you deliver on the emails or the website or whatever it is that you're delivering to them, if you deliver on it and they're not that happy with it, well, then common sense says, well, I'm not going to try to charge this guy. You just try to get a testimonial out of it and make sure they are happy. But if you aren't charging anything, don't go above and beyond trying to get them to be happy. Just do your best from the get-go. So they're like, wow, Gabe, that was such a great website. Wow, the tweets perform better than any of my other tweets. Obviously insert whatever your specific skill is. And once you do that, the next step is easy. Since you're happy with that, I can do that on a month-to-month basis, and it's only going to be XYZ price. So I'm going to deliver 3 emails a week for X amount a month, or performance-based, I'm going to do 3 emails a week for X% of every sell. Or if you're a Twitter ghostwriter, I'm going to write 3 to 5 tweets a day, whatever it is you want to do. I always recommend 5 tweets a day. I'm going to deliver 5 tweets a day for XYZ. It's really that simple. So that is how you take it from no experience to getting that testimonial to paid client.